Yearly performance of PAREF Westbridge. The students are not only smart but also talented. Here I am again, ang inyong vlogger, invited sa isang event kani mausisa tadi later ha, kung ano natin kakalatapos. See you guys! We are here in University of San Agustin campus, and we can see that all of the students were just arriving from different schools. Later, I will ask one of the PAREF Westbridge student leader to explain what is this event all about.
Hello, I am Thomas Gonzaga. I am a grade 12 student and the current TPP advocate. I'm actually the event manager for the TPP organization. So, if you're wondering what TPP is about, it's a youth organization aimed to, empower the youth through leadership talks, seminars, activities, outreaches, and all the other activities that we usually do. So this convention right now is being held at Sanag, and it's our first convention actually after 3 years due to the pandemic. So it's really a good thing that we are able to get back and invite a lot of schools to join us. And actually this year is our first time being able to work with other schools through our TPP Ambassadors program, which other schools can apply and they could help us join the program. So that's about it about TPP. And if you're interested about us, we have our socials on Facebook, Instagram, and others.
So, is this limited only to private school or it is open also for public school?
No. Our program is actually, this organization is a very open program which all schools of all grades, mostly high school, to join and just participate in. And most of our conventions like this one are actually free. And you don't have to pay anything. You can just come, join, and learn and have fun with all the leadership talks with our speakers from Manila and all the other places.
Wow, very good. So you may invite again?
Yes. We are actually looking forward to having more programs. Every year we have our conventions like this. Next year we can look for more activities. We could even reach out more towards the nation and everything. And that's all.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzaga. Thank you very much. Nakaka-proud maging parents ang amusad to nga mga kabataan nga well-spoken. Kanami mag-explain what is the event all about, kag kung ano ang purpose nila. So, grabe, makita mo gid nga may future leader gid from the young generation subong. Because nakaka-inspire gid si Mr. Gonzaga, so mangita pagid ako sang isa pagid ka student leader nga maka-add some more of explanation pagid about the TPP. Invite all young generation like you to join this event.
As one of the ambassadors of the PAREF project, we are inviting all of you to join our organization, and together we will advocate for character development, and we will pave the way for greater developments, not just in our country, but to the rest of the world. By the way, I am Israel Hans Goles, grade 12 young student, the president of Iloilo National High School, and the president of Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Iloilo Officer Council, at the same time, one of the ambassadors of the PAREF project.
You see guys, very smart kid siya. Our future leader in Iloilo City. Congratulations. Thank you. Okay. Nakita nyo man kag nabatian, no? So bata pa sila, amo na niyang ila kapasidad. How much more kung mag-matured pagid sila? So makita ako gid nga kadamo gid sang mga future leaders diri sa aton nga mga kabataan subong. Part man kamo sang event?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what school are you?
From Melchor, Nava.
Okay, wow. From Melchor, Nava man
Yes,
kamo?
ma'am.
Wow, yun. Okay.
We are from Melchor El Nava National High School.
Okay, ga-start ng ilang registration, no? Diri sa may auditorium lobby. So, since wala pa man kami ga-start sa amon promotion sa Arjur Perfume and Migrate Buds nga visa consultancy going to Canada, matanaw-tanaw kita anay diri sa mga kabataan nga nagasulod kag nagagwa sa auditorium. Kanami ilang sa taga PAREF Westbridge kay well organized gid sila amat-amat na sila nagakadto to sa sulod. Amuman ang mga visitor from different schools, from public to private. Of course, ang akon to upod, si ma'am kag si sir ga umpisa na sila panghatag flyers sa mga students, no? Basi pa lang ma-interested magkadto sa Migrate Buds kag mag visa consultancy going to Canada. PAREF Westbridge Student Council, 4 sila to guide the activity. From senator to vice president to the president, they are all present in the event. Of course, we can see all the teachers here of PAREF Westbridge and the participating schools from different public and private secondary schools. Arjur Perfume is one of the sponsor of this event today, so we are selling and giving flyers to the participants of different schools. Hello mga langga! So kung hindi naging busy, kinakasunod na mga student, pwede na kami makachika ni sir kay ni ma'am. Hi! We are selling, ano ganun sa ginapligyan nato? Arjur! Si Sir Frank sa Arjur. Ano nyo lang ha kung gusto nyo ang Arjur, contact Sir Frank and si Sir Gino Bermudo. And also, kung gusto nyo magpa-Canada, si Sir Bermudo nag-help din. I would like to introduce Arjur de France. Arjur is a French-inspired premium perfume that boasts its optimum quality, chic essences and long-lasting scent for men and women for only 350 pesos of 60 ml. Lunch break sang kabataan sa nag-interest sa event. So may time na kami ni sir magchiki-chika sa amon ginabaligya. Good morning! Ano yung mo sir na baligya?
Arjur!
Sir, mabakal ko tagpila na.
Ari lang po, 350.
Kabarato, how? Kabarato sir no?
Ay, hamot sa?
Yabi, may matisting ko sir.
Oil base.
Abi, ibutang bisa kamot ko sir. I-rub na sir. Ito, udah ko tamot. Guaranteed daw. Okay. Sige sir, mabakal ako para pang giveaways.
Okay, perfect gift for this December.
Yes, so tama. Sige sir, thank you.
Salamat, man.
Mga taga Westbridge, mga smart. Hi ma'am! Talong tamo sa vlog ko. Sige po. Aring siya mo na Arjur. Arjur perfume is very affordable for only 350 pesos, and you may contact Sir Gino Bermudo if you want to be a reseller or an agent. Promise, hamot-hamot gid siya. The original lang gid ang scent niya. Oo, tutuod gid. The event have 2 speakers, one from Manila and one from Iloilo City, Mr. Candido Goy.
Attitudes. Believe that character formation starts with you. It happens with your words, actions, and behaviors consistently match your core identity.
I am very lucky to attend the event of the Smart Kids. Ay mga langga, ang inyong vlogger si Bonus. Marketing na naman. Mamaligya naman tabi. Mamaligya ka perfume. Arjur. Then makaduta sa Canada. Kahit ano lang basta vlogger ka kagon kakatera ka kahit ano makagagawa ka. Yung palusin nyo mga tagleflets may bayad mo. So wala unta tatong bayad kung wala man na unta tatong rocket, diba? Later naman ha-update ka mo later.
Those who answered 3. Upo!
Thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. PAREF Westbridge students led some of the participating students of different schools by dancing and entertaining them so that hindi sila ma-bored while listening to the speakers. So kasadya diri sa sulod sa auditorium, ga-enjoy gid sila yatanan. Makita gid sa ila itsura, si nami gid hindi nila malipatan ang ila nga pag-join.
For joining the TV and I hope you habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Eto na, pinakahihintay natin. Eto na tayo, magkayakap sa
Before mag-end ang event, dapat ma-interview ko ang isa ka speaker. So, pangitao naton si Sir Candido Goles.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Candido M. Goles III, a Project Development Officer of Schools Division of Iloilo City, the Youth Division Coordinator, handling 65 schools in Iloilo City. Ari kami diri subong sa project sang WESTBRIDGE.PAREF, the TPP, the peer project, which is every year nga ginahikot nila, and this is the 4th year nga gina-celebrate nila again. And of course, isa sa mga participants is ang SDO Iloilo City, composed of 16 secondary schools here in Iloilo City. And I'm very thankful and blessed. It's because na out of 16 schools, they are all present here. Not only the SSG, the Supreme Student Government, but also the Barkada Contra Droga, the BKD of SDO Iloilo City. Anyway, thank you so much for having me here, and hello to Ilonggos here in Iloilo City.
Yes, sir.
And I'm proud to say that I am part of Department of Education. Thank you po.
Wow! Thank you, sir. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Great na to eh. Mga family ang meeting.
Okay, I would like to greet my my wife, Maria Eden Goles, and of course my lovely and talented kids, Mary Kaden, musician and a composer, songwriter, and Zachary Can Goles, of course a member of Iloilo Blogger Society, and of course my future model, my youngest,
Ay, oo, sir.
Ezra Beatriz Goles of Colegio de San Jose. Thank you. See you later.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, everyone. I am Gerard, and I'm the moderator of the Peer Project. The Peer Project is a youth-led organization that promotes character formation, not just in Iloilo, but in Western Visayas. So the goal of the Peer Project is to make sure that the students will be able to understand their purpose at the same time on how they can help build our country. So the Peer Project already reached out around 10,000 student leaders for the past 7 years of giving free trainings, seminars, and conventions to student leaders in Iloilo City, province, and the nearby provinces in Western Visayas.
The event has ended and the students were ready to go home. Shout out to all the teachers and staff of PAREF Westbridge, and then to all my friends, Guria Construction and Trolliant Calling Center. Don't forget to buy Arger perfume for only 350 pesos. Shout out to the following person on the screen. Shout out to Sir Frank, my buddy in the event. And also shout out to Melody Vlogs, Donabel Borgos Vlog, John Lee Caliano, PJ Antigi Maras, and to all my friends. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Shout out to Ernesto Asusino Jr., Cyrus Asuelo, Badelis, Anthony Boy, Adrian Asong, Adrian Ferrasot, Aldrin Doron, Aldrin Bisa, Leo Bibano, and also to Renz John Valdez, Samuel Badi, Janet Badi, John Mark Bibauco from Valladolid, Negros Occidental, Barangay 2. Shout out also to Bacauco John Mark, Bacas, Maria Alfred Arroyo, Asusina Christian Rufino, Asuelo, Byros, Buhayan, Hilary Jason, and Bacolina Leia Alice. Thank you all for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe.